Buniga from PTLD 2. So now we are going to talk about community dance. So community dance is a form of dance which is it can be professionally or recreationally. In terms of community dance, it is a dance that is help to connect with other people. So masasabi natin professional or recreational dance yung community dance because when you stress or pagod ka, maaaring ang community dance ay makahelp para ma-relieve yung stress mo at maging physically fitness na rin. So, community dance happens everywhere and anywhere. Masasabi natin, ang community dance ay maaaring maganap everywhere or anywhere. Kasi no matter, for as long as you have a space to dance, you are comfortable with that particular place, you can dance, you can join the community dance. We have also here a community dancing for all. Yes, community dance is for all. No matter how old you are, no matter ano man, lalaki man or babae ka, for as long as you want to join, you are willing to join this event, this dance, you can join. And that is community dance.
So again, good day. So this is my topic. Community dancing happens anywhere and everywhere. Community dancing is widely known for its concept that doesn't require specific settings as long as it can accommodate great numbers of participants who are interested to join. So community dancing, sinasayaw na to siya kahit saan. Kumbaga, hindi na siya nangangailangan ng specific na settings or lugar saan mo gustong sumayaw as long as ikaw ay interesado maki-join sa sayaw na yun. Like for example nito sa mga plaza. Community dance gives new ideas of dancing. Community dancing is not a specific type of dance that has strict pattern to be followed, but it allows people to create new form and ideas of dancing. So, sa community dancing din ay hindi siya mahigpit na dapat yung pattern or step ng pagsasayaw ay susundin mo. Kumbaga dito, hinahayaan ka na gumawa ng sarili mong idea na step sa pagsasayaw as long as ikaw ay nag-e-enjoy. Community dancing is led by professionals. These are the fitness and health professionals who are certified to work in a community through dancing. Ang community dancing ay pinamumunuan nito ng mga magagaling sumayaw. Sila yung nagaturo sa mga tao upang magbigay ng malinaw at madaling sundin na step para lahat ng tao ay nakafollow sa kanila at mag-enjoy sa pagsasayaw. Like for example nito is sa Zumba.
So when we see community-based, there are certain barangays holding community dance activities such as ballroom and Zumba as today's popular dance, which founded by the government officials as part of health and wellness programs in local areas. So dancing becomes more accessible, especially to older adults, since it is held in nearby locations such as amusement park, plazas, even in church, with involvement of some youth ministries. So, kahit saan tayo pumunta ng mga barangays, kahit saan tayo nakikita ng mga plazas, kada morning, di ba? So, nakikita natin yung mga youth ng mga adults na nag-zumba sila para sa kanilang health to prevent their para iwasan yung sakit nila sa mga health.
Okay. Hello everyone, especially to you, ma'am. I am the next reporter and I'm going to discuss about the workplace-based. So, workplace-based work hold potential stressor for an individuals. By dancing, sheer delight, adrenaline, and interactivity can be brought to workers incorporate. So, in New Delhi, corporations includes dance as part of the employees' wellness development program. It is said that dance can be used in numbers of ways to help companies achieve employees' retention, camaraderie, unity and cohesiveness, productivity, and cooperation. With the help of dance and corporate wellness program, it can reduce the employee's stress. Dance provides a physical outlet for releasing stress, allowing employees to unwind and recharge. Dance is not only served as a form of exercise, but also enriches corporate culture by promoting emotional well-being and social interaction. Recognizing that a healthy, happy workforce is key to long-term success.
Community dancing offers numerous health benefits beyond physical fitness. It helps reduce stress by releasing tension stored in muscles and promotes social interaction, cognitive functioning, and emotional well being. It can also increase the muscle strength, endurance, flexibility, and motor fitness, plus the condition of your heart and lungs. It can also strengthen your bones, which reduce the risk of osteoporosis and improve your balance, coordination, and spatial awareness, so falls are much less likely. Example of community dancing that demonstrate these benefits is a community dance program where local residents of all ages come together to learn and participate in various dance styles such as ballroom, line dancing, or cultural dances. In this program, participants often engage in a partner of group dancing, which requires coordination and communication, fostering social bonds. Community dancing offers numerous health benefits beyond physical fitness. It helps reduce stress by releasing tension stored in muscles and promotes social interaction. Community dance participation for health habits. Offering opportunities to gain new skills and insights, learning about dance and through dance. In dance, nagpapahayag ito ng kanilang sarili at kanilang mga karanasan sa buhay. Nagde-develop din ito ng bagong karanasan at informasyon sa pamamagitan ng pagsayaw. Naghahatid din ito ng informasyon sa pamamagitan ng pagsayaw at mas nauunawaan natin kung ano ang kanilang pinapahiwatig. Dito sa sayaw, nagkakaroon tayo ng malayang pag-iisip at mas lalo tayong nagiging masaya dahil marami tayong nagiging close ng ibang tao ng dahil lang sa sayaw. So, ang sayaw ay nakakatulong sa ating kalusugan. First, nakakabawas ito ng stress at pagkabalisa ng isang tao. Then, nakakabuti din ito ng kondisyon. Nakakapagtaas ito ng energy ng isang tao. Nakakabuti rin ito ng kalusugan ng puso at daloy ng dugo. Nakakabuti din ito na sa kalusugan ng ating mental sa pag-iwas sa depression.